madmen! They're heading for the prison level. If you hurry, you might catch them.
Follow me. You stand guard.
Come on. Oh. All this excitement has overrun the circuits in my counterpart here. If you don't mind, I'd like to take him down to maintenance.
All right.
Freebio! Come in, Freebio! Freebio! Get on top!
Can't!
Where could he be? Freebio! Freebio, will you come in?
They aren't here. Something must have happened to them. See if they've been captured. Hurry.
One thing's for sure, we're all gonna be a lot thinner. Get on top of it!
I'm trying!
Thank goodness they haven't found them. Where could they be? The comlink? Oh my! I forgot. I turned it off. Are you there, sir?
Freebio!
We've had some problems.
Will you shut up and listen to me? Shut down all the garbage mashers on the detention level, will ya? Do you copy? Shut down all the garbage mashers on the detention level! Shut down all the garbage mashers on the detention level!
No! Shut them all down! Hurry!
What?
Listen to them. They're dying, R2. Curse my metal body. I wasn't fast enough. It's all my fault. My poor master.
All right! You did great! Hey! Hey, open the pressure maintenance hatch on you, remember? Where are